This year's theme at wofie is focusing on climate issues in a time where words as sustainability, environmental issues, energy, and ecology are becoming increasingly relevant. This workshop is attended by more than 400 students from various fields of education.
We all know that we have heavy problems in the world at the environmental and energy area, and it's really good also because not only the DM but also because we have the great conference in Copenhagen this year, so there's a lot of focus on the area.
That just having 400 people thinking about these very important topics is bound to give there's a very big potential for good ideas. So I think it was a very clever choice, and in that sense I think it was the right choice. And you get easily a lot of interested people, and not only the students but from outside ministry or whoever has interest in that such events here take place.
Who is the bomber car? The tallest is controller.
The goal of this workshop is to bring fresh ideas with business potential that can generate opportunities that contribute to a better environment.
It's my expectations that some of the students realize that they are real good at both doing innovative solutions and maybe try to look at the more commercial part of it. And it's also my hope that some of the solutions which come out of such a camp also could carry through in the real world.
Of course, the reason why we're here as a company, I'm from Dantherm, is that we can use it maybe for a future employee, but as well as just having a brief look into what's going on in the minds of the people sitting here, because there's definitely good things that have been discussed over the tables today. It's still early on this workshop, but I've seen some very good ideas, but it's pretty wide, and now they're trying to narrow it down to more specific areas. And they specifically, can I say that? Yeah. Areas about how they want to make energy out of water, out of solar energy, and as well as wind energy. I've seen different groups looking at that. So I'm not going to say which is my favorite, but there are definitely some very good projects there.
Two different cases we have looked at.
About mainly recycling.
The good things you're doing now and how you can improve it.
I don't think you can convince DSB to do this.
I agree.
Also,
some discussions, very interesting discussions with respect to energy and efficient buildings and so forth, which at the moment are very open and broad discussions, but the topics themselves are interesting, and I think that a lot can come out of them. But at this point, I can't really say much.
It's still day one.
Yeah, it's still the first day, but I'm interested in seeing the process. So in that respect, as a supervisor, as a teacher, I like to learn from this process, to see how this type of learning can be applied under other circumstances.
The idea about you have a guy who's giving a pep talk once in a while to push the arrangement forward is pretty good. And also giving the ideas to the people sitting in here, how they should proceed with their ideas in the brainstorming. So I think it's been very good.
One, two, three.